Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's me, Adam. You're watching Unlimited Options Investing. In this episode, we've got to talk about the most anticipated earnings releases this upcoming week, and it's jam-packed. So I will give you guys my thoughts on the companies that interest me. Before I do, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome aboard and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and take a look at my description for my links to my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Twitter. Check it out. So on Monday morning before the open, we have notable names Coca-Cola and Activision Blizzard. Activision Blizzard got bought out by Microsoft, I think it was earlier this year in 2022, for a total amount just below $69 billion. I think it was like $68.7 or something like that billion dollars. Ever since the deal back in January, it's been in a range between just around $80, give or take. And the market cap only showing $61 billion. So interesting, that's actually below the purchase price of $69 billion. And Coca-Cola, a steady dividend stock, what made Warren Buffett a chunk of his wealth, up 21.6% on the year over the past 5 years, up 51%. A very boring, steady stock, yielding a dividend of 2.7% annually. And a market cap of $281 billion. Nothing really too interesting after the close on Monday. Tuesday before the open, notable names UPS, GE, Pepsi, 3M. Pepsi and 3M being some notable dividend names. And Pepsi over the past year is about 20% up, and over the past 5 years, similar to Coca-Cola, up 50%, very steady, yielding a dividend of 2.5% annually and a market cap of $239 billion pretty much. And what's awesome about Pepsi, unlike Coca-Cola, is they have some awesome subsidiaries. Frito-Lay, think Doritos, Gatorade, Quaker, Raytheon, a defensive name, JetBlue, an airline that's actually trying to buy out Spirit Airlines after an offer was made to merge Frontier and Spirit, and there's also Waste Management. And this one over the past 5 years is up more than double, and it's also one of Bill Gates' biggest investments. A pretty defensive stock, as we're always going to have trash to throw out, yielding an annual dividend of 1.65%, and a market cap of $65 billion. But the real fun starts on Tuesday after the close. Massive names, Microsoft and Alphabet, right there together, you're making up almost, $4 trillion of market cap. And both are well off their all-time highs. Microsoft down 11% over the past 6 months. And Alphabet, Google down 12, almost 13% over the past 6 months. Considering Alphabet was $3,000 not too long ago, we're now below $2,500. Other big names, Visa, GM, Enphase Energy, well off its all-time high. Chipotle Mexican Grill, which often beats estimates, and the stock has been flying over the past few years. Texas Instruments, QuantumScape, Skechers. Visa is down 10% over the past year. GM down 31% over the past 6 months. Enphase Energy down 15% over the past 6 months. Chipotle Mexican Grill up 212% over the past 5 years. Yeah, we aren't at all-time highs that we hit in September at just under $2,000 a share, down 25% since then. However, if you look at the big picture, over the past few years, Chipotle Mexican Grill has been a big winner, a market cap of $44 billion. And we still have a ton of names still for the rest of the week. You have Boeing, Spotify, T-Mobile, all before the open on Wednesday. Boeing over the past 5 years is down 5% at $176. This one not yet recovering from its pre-pandemic highs at a market cap of $106 billion. Spotify, this was a stay-at-home winner over the past 5 years. We see a big bubble. You're essentially getting 2020 prices. And this whole bubble just popping. Another name, American Tower, they own infrastructure when it comes to 5G equipment and radio towers. This is a company that long-term I am bullish on, but it's not a company that I have enough conviction that I would actually invest my money there, but I definitely see it increasing in value over the upcoming years. Wednesday after the close, Meta, after last quarter's disappointing earnings call. Let's see what they're going to follow it up with. PayPal, a company that has just been bleeding out ever since last year's 52-week high of over around $300, now below $100. Ford, which was a big winner a few months ago, well off its all-time highs like a bunch of other names, also reporting after the close. Qualcomm, a company that was $180 a share, now at $120, $130. Pinterest, Teladoc, both pandemic winners, both now losers, ServiceNow, and Las Vegas Sands. So Meta Platforms over the past year, we had those highs of $380, now at $184, down 51%. PayPal, since those highs back in July of last year, we are now down 71% on PayPal. Ford, over the past 6 months, we had highs of about $24, $25, now down 40% from those highs. And Qualcomm, over the past 6 months, we were at $190, now down about 29%. Pinterest, once upon a time, this was an $80 stock. Now we are at $20, down 75%. And Teladoc, once upon a time at $300, the bubble popped, and now down 80%. We head on over to Thursday. Before the open, we have Elon Musk's potential Twitter, Caterpillar, Nokia, Southwest, MasterCard, McDonald's, and Domino's Pizza. So Twitter, over the past 6 months, it had that jump ever since Elon has been interested in buying the company. Caterpillar, over the past 5 years, is up double, up 111%, though it has been trading sideways for pretty much the past year. MasterCard, over the past year, very, very sideways. Similar to Visa, is down 10% over the past year. McDonald's, over the past 1 year, is actually up 8%. We were as low as $220 on March 9th, and then since then, we've gone up 12%. And Domino's Pizza, over the past 5 years, is up double at 108%. Currently at $378 a share. And Thursday, after the close, two more big names, Apple and Amazon. Again, you combine both market caps right now, and you're getting about a $4 trillion valuation. A pandemic winner, now a loser, Roku. Intel, who's getting their lunch absolutely eaten by AMD at the moment. Robinhood, a name that is dead right now when it comes to stock price. Apple, up 20% over the past year, and ever since the beginning of 2022 is down over 11%. Amazon, pretty much trading sideways ever since July of 2020, and since the beginning of 2022 is down 15%. So how all these big tech names, Microsoft, Alphabet, Apple, Amazon, report this week could really determine how the market is going to move over the upcoming few weeks. If that positive sentiment is going to return into the market, or if we're going to continue falling as we have been over the past 3-4 months. And on Friday, we still have some very notable names, ExxonMobil and Chevron, two oil-producing names that have been making probably record profits over the past quarter, as the price of oil has been seeing multi-year highs. AbbVie, Bristol-Myers Squibb, AstraZeneca, Phillips 66, Honeywell, so still some pretty notable names. Anyways, that's the end of my video. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments below, how do you think these big tech names will sway the market this week? Also, take a look at my Instagram, my Twitter, and my TikTok. All my links are below in the description. Subscribe and like, and I will see you guys in the next video.